Oh, it went the one.
That's fine.
On the phone. I saw mine.
On the phone. We're doing telemarketing now.
Take a video of the baby. Take a video and I will show it to my grandson. I have a grandson like that. 3 months. My first grandkid. It's a little smaller than that. This is 6 months, right? Mine is 3 months.
Oh, that's
my
right.
grandkid. My first.
Your very first.
Hello, what's your name? Smile. Oh, yeah, smile.
My niece was my parents first.
Honestly,
But she was
I will send you through Marianne.
okay. And but on my sister's side, she
Yeah.
was the first on our side. Forget it, you know.
Ever since.
it's really good. You know what?
I know. She joins the...
Because if other kids and then somebody whom they don't know gets them, they will cry.
Because she is associating with many people.
He's so
Everywhere she goes. He goes. Right.
Oh my gosh,
You're a Bible son, huh? You will be David. What's his name? David?
Gabriel.
Kevin.
Gabriel.
Yeah, Kevin, right?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Gabriel.
Angel Gabriel.
Oh, you are an archangel, Gabriel.
He's a big boy.
He's a big boy, yeah?
I think I'm putting that one actually in the vestibule of the church.
That's your only... Your first? Oh, that's why you're so...